And I am Master Rudresh Joshi, and today we have made a model, a Bluetooth controlled multitasking assisted humanoid robot.
So, as Rudresh said, the robot, assisted humanoid robot, a multitasking robot, and it has been made by the help of Gyanmata High School ATL Lab and our teacher coordinator, Dr. Manisha Vikhe Madam. So, as you can see here, the height of the robot is 5 feet and the weight is 20 kgs. It is totally made of metal. So, as you can hear here, the voice and the sonority of this metal, then we can hear that it's a metal body. So, it can be durable for many years. So, let's get acquainted with the latest features of the robot. So, now the main feature of a robot is a robot can talk by himself. So, now I will ask my robot to give his own explanation. Hey robot, please give me your explanation.
Multitasking assisted humanoid robot made by Team Chargers. A robot is well known to reduce human efforts. And yes, I am a multitasking robot and I can reduce human efforts. I have certain features such as Bluetooth LED display screen, a humidity sensor, ultrasonic anti-theft alarm that can be used for security purpose, Wi-Fi camera, Wi-Fi controlled drone, Bluetooth controlled chassis, Bluetooth detachable drone system that can be used for agricultural use, a fire extinguisher system, self-cleaning machine, and a Bluetooth controlled robotic arm.
So, as the robot said and he explained about his own self. And yes, it's a truth, it's a reality, and we have made the AI of this assisted humanoid robot, and the AI has been made by us with the help of a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus, a microphone sensor and a 30 decibel speaker with the help of ATL Lab, and also a Python coding made by us. Here you can see the AI has been built by us and by ATL Lab. So, now let's get acquainted with the another features of the robot. And yes, it's known as a multitasking robot. So, it can perform many tasks at a single time. So, now I would like to request Rudresh to please get acquainted about the features of the robot.
First and foremost, I will tell you some of the applications of our robot. Our robot can be used in schools, hospitals, and many other public places. Our robot has this anti-theft alarm as well as Wi-Fi camera, so that it can be used for security purpose. This is the Bluetooth LCD display screen. It can be used in schools, hospitals, and many other public places.
So, as Rudresh said that, another we have a clap sensing system at a single clap. The light will turn on and it can be used at the time in the houses if the light connection or the electric current is being gone. At that time, this clap sensing system can be used. Another thing you can see here is a DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. Another inside it you can see some Arduino Uno R3, a clap sensor, LED screens, and here the Arduino Uno coded with C++ language. Another, now as the robot told about the Wi-Fi camera, it's a spy camera, you can see about it, but here as you can see, if you come and zoom in here, is the hole. The hole is for the spy camera. Another, if you come here it's a tray, and here as you can see, this is for the water dispensing or fire extinguisher system. Another thing is that this tray can be used for the programs anywhere in our schools and everywhere. Another, here we have several features attached inside of one thing. Another we have the, and you can see here is the so as you can see here, it's you can also call it as a locker for us. Inside it you can place many objects, and it has a capacity of 15,000 cubic centimeters. So it provides you a good volume. You can keep anything here. Here you can see a Wi-Fi detachable drone is being kept here from ATL Lab. Also some chargers for the batteries, motor drivers and all. Means by taking it whole things inside it, we can attach 5 kgs another on it, and yes, it can be used for many purposes. Another we have this legs, you can see here some gaps, and it's totally hollow from inside. Means it can give you more durability, more flexibility, and more energy. So, as the robot told us about his own features and he told you about the storage capacity of this, now you will ask a question that what's about the locomotion about the robot? Yes, we have a solution for that. We have a Bluetooth controlled chassis with a range of 50 meters on which we can take this robot, we can fix it, and then it can go and it can roam here and there where we want. So I would like to call Mr. Rudresh to tell us about the chassis of the robot.
Yes, here you can see the detachable Bluetooth control chassis with HC05 Bluetooth module, a motor driver, Arduino Uno, and a battery.
So as you can see here, this is a detachable chassis on which here we have attached. Here you can see the mobile app. So when I will put the command of forward, here you can see the motors. So as you can see, by giving a command of forward, these motors are rotating and it has been set up in a continuous motion, clockwise motion and anti-clockwise motion, which can give us more power and more battery backup. Another thing is that you will ask us about the battery backup, but our battery gives a connection of 11.1 volt with the power of 2 amperes. And yes, another thing is that it can work about 6 days at a single charge. And yes, this robot gets attached on it and then you can use it. Another thing which we want to tell you that our school is currently using a unit of this robot in our school. So when our principal gives the order of please bring a water for me, glass of water, then the robot goes by itself and he brings the water. That's the main thing of a robot. So we have been also planning to put a patent and a copyright for our robot. And yes, we have been approved by the government, by the central government for making the robot a patent. Also we are trying for a copyright, after which there will be only a single unit in the whole world for our robot, which is made by our team chargers with the help of ATL Lab. Yes, our robot can be used at many places and yes, it's most useful. Another thing is that we are going to, it's a prototype model, so we are going to upload some more things, making it more smarter than before. And yes, one day it's going to be better than before. And yes, this was the use of our robot. Now I would like to call Rudresh about how many Arduinos and how much cost which we got for the making the robot.
Coming towards the cost of this robot, the cost of this robot is just 7,000 rupees and we have used 6 Arduino Unos in this robot. The main function of a robot is to reduce human efforts, and I can definitely say that this robot can reduce human efforts.
And yes, definitely this robot is currently reducing the efforts of our school. As you take it economically, in economic way, this robot can do work of a peon in a school. Means it's doing its best level and it's at the optimal state. Now, what's about the maintenance? The maintenance of the robot is only 4 months. So after 4 months we have to maintain it and just complete. And after for the next 4 months it's ready to work. As you can see here, the robot is totally of 5 feet and a radium colored straps are being there for reflection purpose. At the night you can use it. As our robot told about its features, and we also tested our robot and how does it works and how does it works in the whole area which we want and where we want. So this was a robot by the help of ATL Lab, Gyamada School. I hope that you would like our video and our model. The model is going to be successful, and yes, currently we are state level scientists for making this robot. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you and have a nice day.